Kwako Yiero maduol matayo tuke pacho ka FKF giyango ni Yiero go kao kotama kare nyalo kelo hinga ne Kenya tugo kod ikore ne tuke mag osimbo mar Afrika higa ma 2027 gidwaro lai maler ewi kaka ibiro bago Yiero go.
These elections are not just a procedural requirement. They are the foundation upon which our preparations for AFCON 2027 will stand. Without a newly elected and functioning FKF office, our dreams of hosting this prestigious tournament will crumble. In recent communications from FIFA dated 26th March 2024, the FKF was formally warned about a possible suspension.
And that we should not allow double standards, because we now know it in public that Spain disbanded the legally elected office, and a government chose an office which FIFA has not done anything to lead towards their usual threat of suspension. So we see no reason why we cannot have a normalization committee.
School mar Merishomo oke county ma Kajiado ne oyudo duoko makare piem mag masinde mag robots manobagi e piny Amerika mbalariany ma Lawrence Technology e boma Michigan.